Hi, my name's Alan Wadsworth. I'm the Market Development Manager at Agilent Technologies for this product line. And today I'd like to tell you a little bit about the B1505 Power Device Analyzer. We've actually made some very interesting improvements to this product. You can now actually go up to 1500 amps and 10,000 volts. We're the only company out there, as far as I know, that actually has a production piece of equipment that can test power devices at these power levels. This piece of equipment here is actually the current amplifier and test fixture. It also has a module selector unit, so I can actually switch between doing the 1500 amps and up to 3000 volts, as well as a precision SMU without having to change any cabling. You can see it's very well shielded. I can't go above 42 volts unless the lid is closed. So now I can test everything in complete safety. And over here, you can see the screen of the B1505. Essentially, there's many different ways of using this product, but since many of you may be familiar with this as a curve tracer, I'm going to start off using it in curve tracer mode. So let's go ahead and test this particular device. It's a touch screen, so I can actually go ahead and start testing simply by pushing the button here. And you can see that I'm starting to get a family of curves. Now, the interesting thing is that was a single measurement. If I want to, I can put it into repeat mode. And just like on a regular curve tracer, I can move the knob and I can actually see my values change. So now I'm increasing the voltage across the drain to source on my power device. And you can see that I'm actually measuring on this particular device up to about 500 amps of current. So pretty impressive capabilities. Now, another really nice feature on these products, because of course you have to do this measurement pulsed, is that you don't always know if you're getting good waveforms on the product. But you don't actually have to have a separate oscilloscope to verify your waveforms with this product. It's got a built-in oscilloscope feature on the product. So you can actually go in here and pick a point on your curves. You can see the little green box here is the point I'm actually looking at. And the point, these waveforms here are the actual measured values of the applied voltages and current on my device. And not only are you doing this without an oscilloscope, but actually we have 20 bits of accuracy here. So way better accuracy in terms of measurement than you would get on an oscilloscope. So basically, this is an ideal product if you want to characterize a power device. Now, besides doing current type measurements, I can do many other types of measurements as well. Let me show you one that's very common for power devices, which is the on resistance. So I'm going to switch to doing the on resistance. Turn this on here, and now I'm actually going to be measuring the on resistance of my device at up to 300 amps of current, but notice I'm only measuring about 4 milliohms of resistance. So another great feature of this product is not only can you go to very, very high power levels, but you can also measure very precisely when you're going to those very high power levels. So you can see I measured about 4 milliohms at 200 amps of current right here. In addition to that, you can also very easily do breakdown measurements. So again, let me go back to the tracer test mode. Suppose I wanted to do a voltage breakdown measurement on my device. Again, I can put it into the repeat mode here. You can see I'm increasing the voltage on the drain to source. And of course, it's going to stop when it reaches compliance. But there we go. You can see the device breaking down at about 84 volts. So again, you can do high voltage breakdown measurements, high current measurements very, very easily. So again, please go to our website, www.agilent.com. Look for B1505A if you'd like to get more information. And I thank you for your attention.